Our first stop of the day is the boardwalk. Who's excited? Ooh, they have 2 Christmas trees in their lobby. Mini gingerbread, let's go check it out. Ooh, Boardwalk Deli, gingerbread house. Oh, I like this one.
21 gallons of honey.
Ooh.
182 pounds of whole rye flour.
Wow. Our first ride of the day is going to be the Skyliner. Here we go. Whoa.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner
Thank you.
Epcot International Gateway.
Flying over the boardwalk, and we got Tara in the background.
Complement their unique environments.
Got the
From the
bus.
glamour of Disney's Hollywood studios.
Hey, what do you see, baby?
Hi, bus.
Aww.
We're home.
Bye, Freedom. See you later. We're flying over the Speedway, where Greg Panza likes to get his beer when he stays at the boardwalk. Where are we, Darlene? Ooh, our first stop.
We deal with this weather permanently.
Uh-huh. What, 70s and sunny? We're flying over Caribbean. It's huge.
We're flying to Disney's Hollywood studios.
We made it to Hollywood Studios, but only on the outside because we don't have tickets. We came here by Skyliner, and now we're going to take the boat to Boardwalk again. We're on a nice boat ride. This is the 4th Disney transportation we were on. It's sitting inside. We have a doppelganger, Steven. Just got off for a boat ride. Go to the yacht club. Let's go see what's inside. It's a pretty Christmas tree with sailboats. They have a little Christmas village. Ooh, the train and the Darlene. Here's the other side of the Christmas village. Beach club, and we made it to the chocolate carousel. Tiana, Jasmine, Elsa, Snow White, and Belle, I think. All made out of gingerbread and stuff.
Oh, these are the people that made them.
We are on our 5th Disney transportation.
Disney Springs.
And we found another Christmas tree. The Encanto Christmas tree. Mickey and the Minnie Christmas tree. Toy Story tree is next. Shenanigans on this one. It's not a Christmas tree, it's topiary. Got the Lion King one. One might be one of my favorites. This is Moana. It looks all Hawaiian-y. Stacked rocks up there. But I think my favorite has got to be Hey Hey, right here. The Coco one. Love all the little details. The Guardians of the Galaxy one. Lots of cassette tapes. Apparently this one is the sphere tree. Interesting take. Frozen tree. All decorated. We got this pretty guy. And then that's the Disney Plus one over there. And then we won! What did we win? Woo! Where's your pin?
Wearing it proudly.
Yeah! Woo! We took the bus, Grand Floridian. Beautiful Christmas tree. Here is the famous Grand Floridian gingerbread house. It's a chocolate sculpture hand decorated by the Grand Floridian Bakery. We're on the monorail again. Picked it up at Grand Floridian. Darlene has to sit all over there by herself. Darlene, what the hell did you order?
It's a drink.
What? What are we getting?
Noodles.
Yeah.
Slot for the shop.
Ooh, how convenient. Wow. What have you guys done?
We got into it too fast.
How is it?
Oh, this makes me so happy.
Where are we, guys?
Allie,
Woo!
best please.
Wow.
Let's hear it for Anna!
Woo! looking.